Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I will show you step by step how to get the latest video from any YouTube channel and automatically save it into Google Sheet. You will use the n8n, the YouTube and the Google Sheet to build a simple automation that save you time and keep everything organized. Let's dive in, guys. First you need the YouTube node. This, get a channel. Okay, here we will need to select the video, get many, and from the, because you want to get the latest video, you'll put the limit 1. That will give you the latest video. Okay, execute. You see the title is this, day 2 save YouTube video starts to Google Sheet in n8n, and to see if this is the latest video, you see here, that's my last video that I published. Okay, so the YouTube node is configured. Let's continue. Now you need the set node to configure the details. Okay. Here you will have 3 fields for every information that you want to translate to Google Sheet. First will be the title. Okay, the string, and we will take from here the expression. JSON snipe. The snippet field will will show us the title. We'll put here. Okay, select expression. Second field will be the URL from our video. Okay, URL. Also will be string. Okay, also expression here. And the latest field will be the publish date of the video, when the video was published on my channel. Okay, date of published. Okay, value this. Okay, expression, execute. URL. Okay, and let's drag the YouTube to send the coordinate. Let's execute now again, and let's see. Let's open the set node. You see, all is good now. The title, the URL, I forgot to put an L here. Let's execute again. The URL and the date of published. Okay, and now I want all of this to go to Excel in the Google Sheets node. Okay, let's put again another node, Google Sheets. We'll need the append row in sheet. Okay, sheet within document. I already created the document that is empty. Let's search from list day 3 sheet day 3. Okay, here we have this option, map each column manually. Let's execute. We need to gather this. Okay, let's execute again the workflow. Okay, and now you see the output, and also you need to see the output here in our Google Sheet, and you have this output, the title, the URL of my video, and when it was published 2 days ago. Okay, so guys, that's it. You just learned how to automatically save the latest YouTube video into the Google Sheet using n8n. So this is super useful if you want to track multiple channels, build reports, or even trigger notification whenever a new video goes live. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more automatic hacks with YouTube, Google Sheet and AI in the next video. Thanks for your patience.